Hi everybody, this is Reza with Profile Traders and you're listening to my market recap for ES June the 10th. You all know that we had the release of the inflation numbers today, or I should say this morning, and the numbers came out pretty much on the higher side, meaning that inflation is definitely on the rise, and the natural reaction to the market would have been that we would go down because people were afraid that the Federal Reserve was going to start to either jack the rates gradually or taper their $1 billion of monthly injection into the financial system. But everybody got surprised because as soon as we opened, they just started to buy like crazy all the way to the old contract record high of 42.38, and then from that point on we saw a massive reversal. They entirely reversed the first half hour bracket, then a range extension took place to the downside where it did hit some support at 42.19, and from that point on we saw another gigantic push to the upside. This was market manipulation at its best. So what we basically did, we went up 41 points, came down 30 points, and followed by 25 points up. And we managed to close exactly at yesterday's point of control on the old contract. So we disclosed near, or I should say at the middle of the value area and at the point of control, which today's point of control is matching the old contract yesterday point of control. The two big brackets that you should be monitoring carefully, it's 43.34 on the upside. If we do clear that, then most likely it is going to go retest the high, and if the high breaks, we are going to go into new record high. How far will it go, or will it go a little bit above it and fail, or will it break it and go into new all-time high and explode? That nobody knows. We have to wait for the reaction once we get up there, if we get up there. On the other hand, to the downside, the price you need to monitor is 42.22.21 right there. If we break that price zone or that price level, this entire double print C and D's could be subject to be retested, in which case price should come to retest 42.11, and if that level breaks, the next level below are 42.05, 41.95 and 41.83. It is absolutely remarkable that the market totally ignored the fact that inflation is going up. I kind of understand why, because the few stocks that are leading the market, the Facebook, the Apple, the Google, the Amazon, these are stocks that proved to be completely protected even against a pandemic. Their business boomed. So I don't think that inflation is going to be any kind of a concern for these companies, and as long as these companies are bought by the fund managers and they keep on going higher and higher and higher, market will have very hard time to come down. So let's monitor what this overnight session will do, and I talk to you the next time.